Nursery cartoon love journey with Howdy.
In a meadow bright where the river bends, 5 little ducks called it home, my friends. They quacked and splashed in the sun's warm glow, but a curious tale is what I'll bestow. One day as they paddled with playful delight, an elephant wandered into their sight. With skin like gray stone and eyes full of dreams, he trumpeted softly by glistening streams. "Oh dear," said the first duck with feathers of gold, "what brings such a giant? This story's untold." The second duck quivered and fluffed up her wing, "A creature so large, it's not right for spring." Yet the third duck just laughed with a heart full of cheer. "Let's welcome our friend, there's nothing to fear." So they quacked in unison, "Hello there, howdy, join us for fun, we'll make you feel cloudy." The elephant chuckled, a sound deep and low, "I've come from afar where wild rivers flow. I've traveled through jungles and crossed mighty plains, but friendship is treasure no distance can feign." The fourth duck then fluttered with eyes wide in awe, "Can you show us wonders? We're thirsty to draw." The fifth duck chimed in with a splash and a spin, "Let us roam together, oh please let us begin." So they ventured forth under skies vast and blue, through fields painted gold where wild daisies grew. With trunks held high like banners unfurled, they danced through adventure, a magical world. They splashed through the waters where lilies took flight. They chased after rainbows that sparkled so bright. And though 5 little ducks had an elephant near, their laughter rang louder than any great fear. As twilight descended on this joyous parade, a bond forged in kindness would never soon fade. For when hearts beat together amid joys or strife, each creature discovers the meaning of life. So remember this tale of 5 ducks one day, how an elephant joined them to dance and to play. No matter your size or how strange you might seem, friendship is magic, it's love's sweetest dream.
Nursery cartoon love journey with Howdy.